Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change store name in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you can check here. I have 3 stores. So simply I want to change the name of my store. So simply click on setting. Now here you can see the store details. So just you have to click on the edit button. After this, here you can see this is my store name I want to change. So simply raise it and now type the new name here, like I'm typing the random name here. And after this, what you need to do, you can also add here a legal company name, or you can fill other. So simply now click on the save button. So wait for a few seconds. So finally here you can see my store name is changed. So here you can check. So in this way you can easily change store name in Shopify.